Hey you! Looking for a new healthy and flavorful dish to wow your friends and family? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're making a vibrant and nutrient-packed pesto pasta. Before we dive into cooking, we need our sauce. So start by toasting 1/4 cup of walnuts over low heat. Stir occasionally until fragrant for about 3 to 5 minutes. While those toast, let's blanch 2 cups of fresh basil leaves. Blanching means dropping the basil into boiling water for about 10 seconds, then immediately transferring it into an ice bath. This keeps our basil bright green and flavorful. Roughly chop the toasted walnuts and 2 cloves of garlic. Then in a blender or food processor, combine the basil, walnuts, garlic, zest of 1 lemon, juice of a half a lemon, about 1 tablespoon, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Blend until smooth. If it's too thick, add more olive oil, 1 tablespoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. Now, let's move on to the base of our dish. Bring in 6 cups of water to a boil and cook 8 ounces of your favorite pasta until al dente. Drain and then set aside. While the pasta cooks, prep the veggies. Mince 2 cloves of garlic, dice 1 medium bell pepper, 1 medium zucchini, 1 medium tomato, and chop up 1 cup of broccoli florets. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large sauté pan over medium to high heat. Add the minced garlic and sauté for about 10 seconds, just until fragrant. Then add the diced bell pepper, zucchini, broccoli, and tomato, and sauté for about 5 minutes until they become tender. Now let's bring it all together. Add the cooked pasta to the pan of veggies and stir well. Pour in the fresh pesto sauce and toss everything together until evenly coated. Serve immediately with extra Parmesan cheese if desired. So why did we choose this dish? At the Community Teaching Kitchen, we believe in eating the rainbow, which means making meals colorful, nutritious, and delicious. This pesto pasta is packed with fiber, vitamin A, and vitamin C, making it as good for you as it is tasty. Now, this dish serves about 2 to 4 people and stores well in the fridge for up to 4 days. Make it ahead and enjoy a quick, healthy meal throughout the week. Share your creation with friends and family and enjoy the adventure of cooking. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, happy cooking.